All right, a winner has been decided. I took all the comments and put it into a random number generator on YouTube. And the winner is Jay Maz, Jaymaz. But congratulations, man! You won this icon tool set, and it's all yours, buddy. Just email me at BundysGarage@gmail.com and give me your address or where you want them sent to, and I will get them out in the next probably next week, early Monday next week, and hopefully this helps you guys out or helps you out, Jay. And sorry you guys didn't win. I'll be offering more stuff here, so make sure you subscribe. Jay, congratulations. To all the guys that left comments, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And I'm going to keep this going. I'll get some more tools, be that from Harbor Freight, or maybe I can hook up with Snap-on or Matco or somebody out there that'll help offset the cost of these tools. And I'll keep doing this for you guys. But yeah, Jay, like I said, send me an email. Give me your address or where you want them shipped out to, and I'll get them out to you next week. All right, buddy. Congratulations, man.